Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add overlay on Capcut. The first thing you do is open up your Capcut app, then tap on new project. So you choose the file you want to work on. Let's say I want to work on this, tap on add it, and then I want to add overlay, so I simply tap on overlay at the bottom there. In case you didn't get it, at the bottom here we have some options. This is overlay, tap on add overlay. Then you choose this. I want to use a photo. I want to use this particular photo and tap on add. So now the photo is on top of it, as you can see. You can stretch it, adjust it, zooming in, zooming out. This is zooming in actually, and this is how to zoom out. It's as simple as that.